So we'll be shifting our focus now, viewers, from, of course, the Congress CEC to a big breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court. Petitions challenging the validity of the CAA. It's related to the same. Now, the Supreme Court has refused to stay the CAA. There is no stay on grant of citizenship under CAA. Supreme Court has, at the point, issued a notice to the centre and has also sought its reply. SC has given the centre 3 weeks' time to reply. Harish joining us live on the broadcast. Harish, take us through the latest as far as the Supreme Court is concerned. SC, we believe, is refused to stay CAA for now.
Yes, that's right. In fact, a big development as far as the CAA row is concerned. The Supreme Court, in fact, was hearing 237 petitions which had challenged the constitutional validity of Citizenship Amendment Act, including 6 petitions which had challenged the CAA rules. In fact, several petitioners, including the Indian Union Muslim League, Asaduddin Owaisi, Mahua Moitra, and several petitioners vehemently argued that the Supreme Court has to stay the CAA till it decides on the validity of the petitions. As once a citizenship is granted under the CAA, it cannot be revoked. Even international conventions don't allow revoking of the citizenship once granted. But Supreme Court did not stay the CAA and has given the centre 3 weeks time to file the responses. And on the stay application, all these petitioners have been given a chance to file written submissions by April 2, and the centre's response is awaited by April 9. So, in fact, the petitioners argued that when in April 2019, when the petitions were filed, then Attorney General KK Venugopal had given an assurance that the rules have not been framed, rules have not been notified. That is why the petitioners had not pressed for a stay. But now the rules have been framed, a notification has come out, so the Supreme Court should stay the CAA. But the centre, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the centre, argued that this is a CAA only grants citizenship. It is not for taking away citizenship. And when some of the petitioners raised the fear of NRC, that first the CAA will come, then it's going to be the NRC. Then the Solicitor General said that the NRC issue is not there before the court, and therefore these petitioners should not bring the NRC issue there. So as of now, a big development that the Supreme Court, despite vehement and vociferous arguments from the petitioner side, has refused to stay the Citizenship Amendment Act. Remember, these petitioners said that the CAA is unconstitutional, arbitrary, illegal and discriminatory insofar as it singles out Muslims for grant of citizenship and only gives citizenship to Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs, Christians, Parsis and Jains, and any classification on the basis of religion is violative of secular principles of the country and strikes at the very root of the democracy and also in violation of right to equality. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harish. Thank you for summarizing, of course, the court's interim order and also the arguments by both sides. Supreme Court, of course, the big ticket news coming in, big highlight, has refused to stay the CAA for now. The SC says there is no grant or no stay on the grant of citizenship, and they've issued a notice to both the centre and sought a reply by all sides. With that, we slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.